Welcome back to the Tournament of Makers. And now, 4 Hot Wheels monster trucks that are going to be facing to see which one will take home the Mega Cup. These 4 monster trucks, which is Demo Derby, Motosaurus, Bigfoot, and Bone Shaker, are the best monster truck and Hot Wheels monster truck Tournament of Megas history. And let's see who could deserve the Mega Cup and who will be the best Hot Wheels monster truck. Let's go! Round 1. Motosaurus. And let's go big, go Hot Wheels. Motosaurus through the finish. Demo Derby couldn't get a grip on the speed, and Motosaurus will move on to the championship. That was Dynamite. Round 2. And let's go big, go Hot Wheels. Oh, Bone Shaker won. And Bigfoot couldn't get to the finish line first. He cannot stomp his foot to the championship. Thrash and Smash. Championship. This is the ultimate dino and he's ready to crush the competition. Give it up to Motosaurus! Ready to take the Mega Cup back to his house because he is the rebellious bad boy, Bone Shaker! Go back, go Hot Wheel! Motosaurus won! Bone Shaker tried to get on the lead, but Motosaurus wins it. So Motosaurus is the best monster truck in the whole Hot Wheels Monster Truck Tournament of Megas history. Goodbye everyone, and stay tuned for more Hot Wheels Monster Truck competitions in this Tournament of Megas.